Professor Simhadri, these all-party meetings have been convened in the past. The issue has been raked up in the past. How is it different this time? When the elections took place, the Telangana Rashtra Samiti, which stood for the issue of Telangana, was virtually decimated. So how can we say that at the moment, this movement has acquired a mass character and is actually going to result in a separate state of Telangana?
In fact, when he allied with the TDP party, people were skeptical about TRS concern about this Telangana statehood, and because TDP all along has been opposing the formation of Telangana state, but for the sake of alliance, it appeared that TDP passed a resolution, and they said that they were in favor of Telangana, and because of that, most of these parties have come together. Because it was a triangular fight at the state level, and there was a division of vote within Telangana, and maybe the reason why we can say that TRS could not do well. It doesn't mean that since TRS did not do well, it doesn't mean Telangana aspiration is not there. Telangana aspiration is there. It has been there for the last more than 5 decades, and there have been 3 movements that have been launched in this Telangana, and this is the 3rd movement that started in 1996, and KCR, Chandrasekhar Rao, came into this movement in 2001, and for the first time in this 2009, for the first time it has assumed the mass character. Right. I emphatically say that it's because of the fact that all mandals, all over Telangana state, all over Telangana region, students have been coming into the streets and agitating voluntarily. They are taking up different protest forms. There was no command from any place or from Hyderabad, but people are coming voluntarily and taking up this Telangana question, and it is even now percolating into the villages.
All right, student protest.
It is difficult for any political party to go against that kind of a protest that is taking place in Telangana. I think all parties have to fall in line, and they have to go by what the people's aspiration is.
All right, respond to that, Madhuri Yakshigowd, because they're saying that it's really the pressure of the student protesters, but also one man, Chandrasekhar Rao, has been on his hunger fast now for 10 days. Are you really now bowing just to the pressure that we've seen in the last few days?
I do agree most of it what Professor Simhadri says, though Chandrasekhar Rao is a catalyst for the whole movement, but this movement now, this is a bigger than the 1916 movement. For the first time, students, teachers, employees, artists, it is the common man who has taken the movement in their hands.
No, but it's all very well to say common man. Sir, is the Congress party, I want to know on this program, is the Congress party, Mr. Gowd, committed to the idea of an independent Telangana, and what happens to Hyderabad? Will Hyderabad be the capital of this new city? Or will Hyderabad get, as some are suggesting, union territory status?
No, those are the people who oppose Telangana state, creation of Telangana state. They come up with an idea of creating a separate union territory, then Uttar Costa district separate state, 23 districts make
What is the Congress's official stand?
All these people who are opposing the state.
Sir, what is the Congress's official stand? Is the Congress favoring the breakup of Andhra Pradesh? You won an overwhelming majority in Andhra Pradesh. Do you support the fact that there should be a Telangana state or not? Does the entire Congress party support it?
Absolutely, Congress party support it. In fact,
even MPs from outside Telangana.
Honorable President.
Even MPs from outside Telangana will support it.
Yes. Most of them, some of them maybe have a reservation, but most, even MP from Harsha Kumar MP from Amalapuram is from Andhra, even Undavelli Arun Kumar, many of the MPs from Andhra region also support for separate state. There have no objection. Let me tell you, the people in Andhra region or Rayalaseema region have absolutely no objection to separate creation of state. Hyderabad is never a contention issue. Hyderabad is a part and parcel of Telangana state. In fact, Hyderabad state was existing. The historical difference for Telangana state is Telangana was an existing state merged with Andhra state.
All right, but
we can't compare the same demand compared to other states.
Fine.